Thank you, President. Our duty is to help Ukraine because they are suffering an intolerable aggression. And because the principles of the international system must be upheld. Territorial integrity, no invasions are allowed to change borders, the right to self-determination, and third, we believe in solving conflicts through democratic means. So the EU has reacted, but more is needed. Military aid must be sped up. Let's not hesitate. War crimes are being committed. We must help the refugees more and better. We need to stop energy imports from Russia and broaden sanctions. The EU is leading in sanctions against the oligarchs, but that's not enough. Sanctions must also target the bureaucrats and the higher echelons of the Russian state. We must extend our pressure to the allies of Putin, those who promote autocracy at our borders and also inside the EU. We have awakened. Let's show that we can be better. Thank you very much.